Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And we're parting out a drag bike as we needed the motor out of it for a restoration job. However, we are selling the top end that came off this motorcycle, and now we're offering this chassis. This is what I believe to be a KZ1000 LTD chassis. It's been raked, and I don't see a VIN number on it. So it's probably something that someone made out of a couple different things. So it looks like it has Ninja style wheels or something like that. I don't know for sure. It's got it has an air shifter, which is hiding behind this cover. Here's the air shifter. I'm not sure who made it. There's some pretty cool parts on it. There's some stuff under the panel and everything. I needed the gas tank for a restoration because it was a stock LTD tank. However, we have all the rest of the stuff that this could be a great start to a drag bike. The swing arm has been extended right here. Looks like about 6 inches extended. I'm not sure. Got the gauge right here on the swing arm. And this is Kawasaki brakes. But however, I am not sure of what these came off of exactly. It's got a brand new slick on the back. Looks like what's to be a pretty cool steering dampener. I think this is kind of like Suzuki-ish brackets here. I'm not real familiar with Pro Cycle or something, tachometer and stuff. So it looks like it's set up pretty cool. Here's a pingle something here for it. Maybe a shut off, I'm not sure. And everything else is pretty much ready to go. This would make a nice start. Okay, we also just discovered that a wheelie bar came with this. The chrome doesn't look really good on it, but we did get a chance to clean it up, but the chrome's not nice. So there's the wheelie bar. And one thing that we're not going to include is this throttle grip. This goes with the throttle that we took that we're using on something else. So where the throttle grip will not, or the left-hand grip will not come with it, but everything else comes with it. And we're selling this at no